Welcome to IEICE's new multilingual translation platform for our web services. IEICE publishes 9 peer-reviewed journals monthly in Japanese and English. This multilingual translation platform currently features 4 English-language journals. During the trial period, anyone can access this high-performance service. To start, visit the IEICE website, the right of the slider, or go to Transactions Browse Multilingual Translation Trial site. The page displays 5 supported journals and top 10 most accessed papers from 2023 and 2022. To translate, select your preferred language from the flag icon on the top right. Let's choose Simplified Chinese. The page instantly translates, with paper titles now in Chinese. Notably, proper nouns like IEICE transactions, 6G and 5G, remain unchanged. Let's take a closer look at the top-ranked paper. The author's names, acronyms like AI, ML, Beyond 5G, and proper nouns are not translated. Unlike many journal sites that offer PDFs, this service provides full HTML with formulas, making multilingual translation possible. Found an interesting paper? Want to share it? Use the share icon to spread the word. Hover over the share icon to see 4 options: email, Facebook, X, and Line. Let's click the email icon. It auto-generates an email with the paper's title and DOI for easy sharing. You can also share via Facebook, X, or Line. For more details on this advanced platform, click the How It Works tab. Experience IEICE's cutting-edge multilingual translation platform and boost the global impact of academic research.